Hi, my name is Michaela and I am the primary recruiter for our Shutterfly manufacturing facility in Tempe, Arizona. We're currently looking for a number of talented, motivated employees to come work in a variety of areas on site. We're currently hiring for machine operators, leads, technicians, and warehouse associates. On site, our culture is inclusive and engaging, where we work together as one team to achieve goals and celebrate employees' hard work. Here at Shutterfly, we offer on-site training and career development, competitive pay and benefits made eligible to you on day one, and fun events that include free food. If you're interested in joining the Shutterfly family, please apply today at shutterflyinc.com.